In a groundbreaking move, the United States Air Force has officially recognized two advanced unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A, marking a significant shift in modern warfare. This announcement, made by General David W. Alvin at the 2025 Air and Space Forces Association Warfare Symposium, sets the stage for a new era of integrated combat operations. These drones are not just the latest technological marvels. They represent the beginning of a transformative approach to air combat, blending autonomous systems with traditional fighter aircraft. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A are part of the United States Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, specifically under its first increment. These drones, designed for air-to-air combat missions, will act as autonomous wingmen to manned fighters like the F-35 Lightning II. The Air Force envisions these drones playing a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness of crewed aircraft by taking on various combat tasks, such as extending sensor coverage and providing additional firepower. This integration marks a major evolution in how air forces will operate in the future, reducing the risk to human pilots while enhancing overall combat capabilities. For the first time, the Air Force has granted a formal fighter designation to unmanned aircraft. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A carry the YF prefix, indicating they are prototype aircraft, while the Q signifies their unmanned nature. This marks a significant departure from traditional fighter aircraft classifications, as these UAVs are poised to operate alongside human-piloted fighters, rather than simply serving as support tools. General Alvin underscored that this new designation is not just administrative. It symbolizes a wider transformation in how the Air Force views aerial combat and integrates new technologies into its operations. While these drones will initially focus on air-to-air combat, their potential applications extend far beyond this mission set. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A are also expected to contribute to electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and surveillance operations. The Air Force envisions a networked combat force where crewed aircraft can control multiple drones at once, enhancing situational awareness and combat efficiency. As autonomous capabilities improve, these drones could handle even more complex missions, expanding their role within the Air Force's operational framework. The development of these UAVs is a collaborative effort between General Atomics and Anduril Industries. General Atomics, responsible for the YFQ-42A, has highlighted its drone's ability to seamlessly integrate with existing and future fighter aircraft, ensuring that it can contribute to maintaining air superiority. On the other hand, Anduril Industries, the creator of the YFQ-44A, previously known as Fury, is designing a more semi-autonomous aircraft that emphasizes mass production and cost efficiency without compromising on operational flexibility. Both companies have been selected based on their ability to meet the Air Force's rigorous requirements for future unmanned fighter aircraft. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A are not standalone projects but part of a larger vision for the future of American air combat. The Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance (NGD) program aims to create a multi-layered air combat system that includes both crewed and uncrewed aircraft. Under the current plan, the Air Force expects to procure up to 150 drones as part of Increment 1 of the CCA program. This number could increase significantly in the future, with the potential for more than 1,000 drones to be integrated into the Air Force's operational force structure. The integration of the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A into the Air Force's operations represents a paradigm shift from traditional combat aviation models that rely solely on human-piloted aircraft. The future of aerial warfare is rapidly evolving, with artificial intelligence, machine autonomy, and human-machine collaboration leading the way. This shift will allow the Air Force to remain agile and flexible, adapting more quickly to emerging threats and responding dynamically to changing combat environments. Both drones are currently in the testing phase, with flight trials scheduled to begin this summer. These tests will provide vital data on their performance, capabilities, and how well they integrate with existing fighter platforms. The results of these evaluations will be crucial in shaping the future of the CCA program, ensuring that these drones are ready for frontline deployment when needed. As the testing progresses, the Air Force will refine its approach to unmanned fighter aircraft, ensuring that they meet all operational requirements. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A represent more than just new hardware. They are the vanguard of a new era in military aviation. As the U.S. Air Force continues to integrate unmanned systems into its operations, the capabilities of these drones will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of air combat. Their ability to operate autonomously alongside human pilots will allow for more efficient, cost-effective, and flexible combat strategies, ensuring that the U.S. military remains at the forefront of global defense technology. The era of autonomous combat drones is just beginning, and these aircraft are set to lead the way.